given the quadratic equation 3z squared plus 5z minus 4 is equal to 0 has roots alpha and beta, find the equation that has roots alpha squared and beta squared. So we've got, given the roots of this equation, can we find another equation which has roots alpha squared and beta squared? And the idea is to do it without actually finding the value of alpha and beta, the actual roots. So we've got 3z squared plus 5z minus 4 is equal to 0 has roots alpha and beta. The sum of the roots of this one is alpha plus beta, so it's going to change the sign on that. So it's minus 5 over 3. Alpha plus beta is minus b over a. So we need to change the sign, whatever that is. Be careful with that. And the product of the roots is going to be alpha beta, which is going to be minus 4 over 3. You just go with the sign on that one. So alpha beta is c over a. Now these a, b and c are different on the new equation, obviously. Right, so we want the sum of the new roots. So the sum of the new roots is going to be alpha squared plus beta squared. So we need an expression. Can we rewrite this in terms of this? Well, we know that alpha plus beta squared is alpha squared plus 2 alpha beta plus beta squared. If we rearrange this, we get alpha squared plus beta squared is alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. So we can say that this is going to be alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. So it's going to be minus 5 over 3 squared minus 2 times minus 4 over 3. So that's going to give me 25 over 9 plus 8 over 3. 3 eighths are 24. 24 plus 5 makes 49 over 9 of a common denominator. The product of the roots, so this is a little tactic that you should try to remember with this type where you've got alpha squared and beta squared. The product of the new roots will be alpha squared times beta squared, which you can write as alpha beta all squared. So it just means I need to take this one minus 4 over 3 and square it, which is going to give me 16 over 9. Okay, so we've now got the sum is 49 over 9. That's going to be my new b minus b over a. And the product is going to be 16 over 9. It's going to be my new c over a. So letting a be 9 in this case, because it's the same denominator. B would be equal to minus 49. You need to change the sign. And c would be equal to 16. So therefore, the required equation, quadratic equation, is az squared plus bz plus c is equal to 9. So we're going to have 9z squared minus 49z plus 16 is equal to 0. So this has been a video. Given the roots of one equation, can we find the roots using the product and the sum of the roots? Can we find the can we form a new equation? I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.